For millennia, storms have pounded the southern tip of Africa. A treasure lies beneath the waves. Sardines in the millions. Fanatically followed by predators of the deep. High above the southeast coast, Cape Gannet circle, then attack. Sardines are plentiful here, and the birds thrive. Yet on the west coast, the gannets themselves are under siege. Commercial fishing has decimated the sardine run. Hungry animals turn on each other, and predator becomes prey. The entire ecosystem is impacted, creating huge challenges for the spectacular Cape Gannets, nature's dive bombers.